Hi there, welcome to another tutorial, Yoga with me. My name is Molly, and it's such a pleasure to be able to share my practice with you. So today, whenever you do this session, we are going to do a short meditation. So meditation is a big part of our yoga practice, and sometimes you won't even know about it if you tend to just do the sessions at some of the studios. Not that I want to speak bad of anything, it's just sometimes it is a bit neglected um, by well, me as well. So it's more of a personal practice, something that you do on your own, in your own space, and something that you kind of bring into your day. So you start with 5 minutes, and then you can prolong it 10 minutes, 15, up to 20 minutes. For me, 20 minutes is perfect. So we're gonna first start to just come into the body a little bit. So if you can sit comfortably like I am perhaps on a pillow, cross-legged, that's nice. If not, it's not necessary. You can sit up on a chair, but we want to have the spine nice and straight. So if you are sitting on a chair, just sit away from the backrest and then allow the hands to just rest onto the legs. You can turn the palms up and then just feel the chest is nice and open. And then close the eyes. See if you can relax the eyes a little bit more back into the head. So almost that feeling of drawing back into the face, into the head, into the skull, relaxing your forehead, your cheeks, and your throat. Relaxing your shoulders, your arms, and your hands, your fingers. Breathing easily through the nose, in and out. Relaxing your stomach, and then your hips, your legs, and your feet. So relaxing the whole body. We're going to keep the eyes gently closed. And then you can take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, let go. Let go of any tension. And then you can slowly start to become aware of any sounds that you might be hearing in your environment. So any noises, perhaps traffic, perhaps other people around you, birds, whatever there is, just listening without any attachment or any judgment. And then take a deep breath in. Exhale, relax. And then bring your awareness to the body. And again, breathe in. And then exhale, relax. Relax your whole body. And then slowly become aware of any thoughts that you might be thinking about, might be coming into your mind. Planning, or perhaps there's a monologue you're still editing, a disagreement with someone that you're finishing. your to-do list, whatever there is, whatever comes up, simply notice it. Again, not trying to fight it or push it away. We notice it and then let it go. Come back to your breath. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Relax. Keep relaxing the body. And then perhaps become aware of any emotions that you might be feeling. And if you're not feeling any emotions, perhaps just noticing what your energy level is like today or at this moment. Again, without judgment, simply observing your emotional state. And take your awareness into the chest. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Keeping your awareness in the chest. In the heart center. And in the heart center, you find kindness and compassion. Love, kindness, compassion for all beings, including yourself. Take a deep breath. Exhale. And slowly become aware again of any emotion, your emotional state, energetic state. Simply observe. And again, become aware of any thoughts. Take a deep breath in. And let go. Breathing out, relaxing. Take another deep breath in. And exhale. Becoming aware again of your body. Feeling the feet, the legs, the hips, the stomach, chest, shoulders. Feeling the arms, the neck, the head. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. And then again, become aware of any sounds, any noises. And then you can slowly drop the chin down to the chest. Keep the eyes closed. Move the head from side to side. Lifting the chin up. Move the shoulders up and back and down. And then change direction. And then bring the hands together and you can rub the palms. So making it nice and warm, and then cover the eyes. And now you can open the eyes into the hands and then slowly take the hands down. Good. So I hope you enjoyed this short meditation and see how you can bring it into your day. You don't have to think about it too much, just sitting quietly, maybe setting a timer for yourself, 5 minutes or 10 minutes every day, maybe twice a day. And then just notice the difference in the way that you're thinking, in the way that you're reacting to people and situations. And perhaps this is where your journey of yoga begins. Hope you have a beautiful day.